Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to use Tooljet in 2025, one of the best open source low-code platforms for building internal tools fast and without hassle. If you're a developer or even just a team leading looking to streamline operations, this tool is a game changer. First, go to tooljet.com and either sign up for the cloud version or download the self-hosted version if you're running on your own server. Once you're logged in, you will be taken straight to dashboard where you can start building apps. Click Create New App. You will enter the drag and drop builder where you can add components like tables, buttons, charts, forms, and more. It's a super intuitive, so just drag what you need on the canvas. Now, it's a time to connect your data. Head over to Data Source, tap and connect to APIs, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Google Sheets, or whatever service your team is using. Tooljet makes it easy to plug in these sources and run queries directly inside the app. Once your data is linked, go back to your builder and bind it to your components. For example, connect a table to PostgreSQL query or show a chart using a real-time API data. You can also use JavaScript right inside Tooljet to run advanced logic. To preview your app, just hit the preview button on the top right. Everything you build is live and interactive. And when you're ready, hit deploy so your team can start using it. And that's it. Sign in, build your UI, connect your data, preview and deploy with Tooljet. Building powerful tools is faster and easier than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more no-code and dev tool videos every week. See you in the next one.